Hi friends, on behalf of 9th SEM, I welcome you all. This is Manish Patnaik, subject matter expert in 9th SEM. So as of now, we have completed discussing about the RS-232 standard specification, how it works. But do you think any time that really this RS-232 standards are followed in industry? Though RS-232 is considered to be a complete standard, but still many manufacturers don't want to follow the complete standards. सबको आजकल एक सस्ता, छोटा एंड एफिशिएंट वाला डिवाइसेस चाहिए होता है. सो ऑल दिस काइंड ऑफ स्पेसिफिकेशंस इफ वी फॉलो द कंप्लीट स्टैंडर्ड इट इज़ नॉट एट ऑल पॉसिबल. इसलिए मेनी मैन्युफैक्चरर्स में नॉट अबाइड द कंप्लीट स्टैंडर्ड बट दे डू फॉलो द इम्पोर्टेंट स्टैंडर्ड्स. The reason behind this variation in implementation of RS-232 standard is that all devices and applications does not require the full specifications and functionality. For example, अगर मेरे पास एक मॉडम है तो मुझे मॉडम से सारे कंट्रोल लाइंस या सारे फंक्शंस नहीं चाहिए. मेरे को बस इतना चाहिए कि मेरा मॉडम एक पीसी के साथ कनेक्टेड हो और उस पीसी के साथ मेरा एक माउस भी कनेक्टेड हो. Then now the question arises, how does the transmitter and receiver, which might use a different set of specifications, successfully transmit or receive the data? So जब ऐसा सोचा गया तो उससे एक टर्म निकल के आया which is known as handshaking. A process called handshaking is used for this purpose. So now what is this handshaking? Handshaking is the process of interchanging information signals between the sender and receiver. In simple words, अगर मैं आपको बोलना चाहूँ तो मेरा एक ट्रांसमीटर और एक रिसीवर है. जब मैं कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन इन दोनों के बीच में शेयर करता हूँ, then that is called as handshaking. These signals build a communication link between the transmitter and receiver. Like if we see a host A is there and a host B is there, they both are synchronized, they both are acknowledged, and then a communication is established between both of them. The need for handshaking is dictated by the speed at which the transmitter, that is DTE, transmits the data, and the speed at which the receiver, that is DCE, which receives the data, and the rate at which the data is transmitted, synchronized and established. In RS-232 there can be three types of handshaking, that is a no handshaking, a hardware handshaking and a software handshaking. So furthermore, if having any doubt regarding this session, why handshaking, feel free to ask in the comment section. Signing off, have a nice day.